Guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and today this is the matchday vlog for Tottenham versus Wolves this afternoon in the Premier League. The team news is literally in 1 minute, so might as well just stay on here to see the team news. But yeah, it's a big game today. Wolves at home. Of course, if we win, we will stay in fourth. Of course, Villa are playing at the same time as us, because they're playing away at Fulham. Of course, Man United play tomorrow against Luton, so for us, for a Tottenham fan perspective, we probably want us to win. Fulham and Man United to win. Of course, Wolves, I mean, they're sat in 11th. I think they can go level on points with Brighton, depending how they get on tomorrow against Sheffield United. But yeah, I mean, here we go. So it's just hit 2 o'clock now. So let's see the team news. Let's have a look. If it'll load. And it's loading. But yeah, prediction, I mean, if the bloody thing will load, that'd be quite nice. I'm gonna go 2-1 today. I mean, Wolves are missing a few big players through injury. But I mean, of course, here we go. Vicario, Emerson, Romero, Van der Ven, Davis, Sarr, Basuma. Oh, bloody hell. Don't know if I can note Cody on the stream. But yeah, so we've got Vicario, Emerson, Romero, Van der Ven, Davis, Sarr, Basuma. Sorry about that. And Vicario, Emerson, Romero, Van der Ven, Davis, Sarr, Basuma, Madison, Kulusevski, Richarlison and Son. So yeah, so Werner drops out to the bench. Oh, what a goal. Mo Salah's made it 3-0. But yeah, my prediction is 2-1. Players are on the pitch, so yeah. Come on! Alright, here we go. That's going to any minute now. We're underway. Come on, Richarlison. Oh, a free kick. Come on, free kick. Free kick. Come on. Put a good ball. Who's that? That's Madison. Come on, Madison. Put a good ball into the box. Shoot. Oh my God. Go on. Richarlison. Oh. And it's 1-0 to Wolves. I haven't got the game on because it's turned off. It's 1-0 to Wolves. For God's sake. Half time, 1-0 Wolves. Second half underway. Go on. Oh, we got to throw it. Yeah, I don't know where these two are. Oh, go on. Kulu. Shoot. Yes! 1-1! Yes! 1-1! Oh, here come Wolves. Wolves are in. And they've gone and scored. Come on, lads. That's 2-1. Go on, please. Please, Emerson. Please. Oh, Wolves just sat behind the ball. They're in. No! Oh, good defending. Not long left, and Wolves are in. They could finish it off. Not my friend, by the way. Not long to go. Come on, lads. No, this is the last chance. Oh, come on. This is the last chance. No. Please. Oh, my face. Please. Oh.
Now taken from yet again.